Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about the 32 bits applications and how to open them on Catalina software on Mac. So as you can see, there are two icons at the dock that have this icon that they cannot be opened, and if I try to open Adobe Illustrator CS6, it says that Adobe Illustrator CS6 needs to be updated. The developer of this app needs to update it to work with this version of macOS. Contact the developer for more information. So Apple have said that they will not support 32-bit applications, and that happened when they updated to Mac OS Catalina. So if I go about this Mac, you can see that I have installed Catalina update. Also, you can see other applications that are 32-bit. So if I go and click System Report, so first of all, the first section you might want to check is legacy software, and if you have old applications, they might appear here and you could see that they need to be updated. Also, there is another section called applications, and here you will see the full list of all of your applications, and you can browse through and see if they are 32 or 64-bit. So I will go, and if I go, for example, Adobe Photoshop, so it's strange that it says it's 64, but it still cannot be opened. And as far as I read in the forums of Adobe, they are not planning to make a newer version to make it compatible with this 64-bit. Instead, they push their cloud service. But there is a way how you can open Adobe programs. So if I go to applications, you find the one you need. So for example, Adobe Illustrator. If I double click this, you will get the error message I showed you before. However, right click and press Show Package Contents. Go to Contents, Mac OS, and then you will see this icon. Press that. And you can see that this opens a terminal and the program will start up. During the startup process, you will get several of these error messages and press cancel to all of them. Error loading plugins. And this will open, and for example, let's open up a file. There it is. So as you can see that this has opened the file. I can try, for example, to write text. Hello world. So as you can see, this works. Some of the functionality might not work, unfortunately, but this is the way how you can open Adobe Illustrator on Mac OS Catalina update. Alternatively, you can also use Time Machine to go back to the older OS version instead of Catalina, and then everything will work as it used to before the update. Or you can find an emulator for either Windows or Mac. So you would run the Catalina software on your Mac, and then in the emulator you would have an older version of Mac or Windows, and then open these programs that way. So those are the ways how you can do it. If you want me to make a tutorial for these alternative ways, please let me know. And I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and see you guys in the next one.